Will a DUI cause me to fail a background check? If you are worried about a DUI affecting a job opportunity, you are not alone. The answer depends on the type of employer and the kind of background check they run. A DUI conviction appears on your criminal record in California, but not every background check will reveal it. Some private employers use limited database searches that may not always show a DUI. Other employers pull county court records or run broader searches that are more likely to find a DUI case. Government jobs and many licensed or trust positions often require a fingerprint-based live scan background check. A live scan can show arrests and case outcomes in the California Department of Justice criminal history system. Private employers in San Diego use varying levels of screening depending on the position. Entry-level jobs may involve only basic background screening. Jobs involving driving, handling money, or working with vulnerable populations typically require more detailed checks. A DUI may not appear if an employer searches the wrong county or relies on incomplete databases. You should never assume a DUI will stay hidden. Government agencies usually have access to the most current and complete criminal history information. If you are applying for law enforcement, firefighter, or federal roles, you should expect a DUI to appear. The impact of a DUI depends on how long ago it occurred and whether court requirements were completed. Some positions treat certain convictions as automatic disqualifiers, while others review each case individually. It is also important to understand the difference between a DUI arrest and a DUI conviction. An arrest means law enforcement took you into custody on suspicion of driving under the influence. A conviction means you pleaded guilty or were found guilty by a judge or jury. Both arrests and convictions can appear on some background checks, but they carry different weight. Many employers focus on convictions rather than arrests. California law limits how employers can use arrest information that did not result in conviction. If your DUI case is still pending, the final outcome will determine what appears on your record. Fighting DUI charges early can improve future background check results. A dismissal, reduced charge, or not guilty verdict can prevent a conviction from appearing permanently. California law allows some DUI convictions to be expunged under Penal Code Section 1203.4. An expungement releases you from many penalties and allows you in most situations to state you have not been convicted. To qualify, you must complete probation and not serve time in California State Prison. An expungement does not erase the record, but it updates the court file to show the case was dismissed. Some government agencies can still view a dismissed DUI. A DUI conviction can also affect professional licenses in California. Licensing boards for nurses, doctors, lawyers, teachers, and commercial drivers may require disclosure of DUI convictions. Consequences can range from warnings to suspension or license revocation depending on the profession. Commercial drivers face especially harsh rules, including a 1-year CDL disqualification for a first major offense. California job applicants also have protections under the Fair Chance Act. Many employers cannot ask about criminal history until after making a conditional job offer. After an offer, employers may ask about convictions, but there are limits on what they can consider. Honesty is critical, because lying on an application can lead to termination later. If you are facing these concerns, speaking with an experienced DUI lawyer can help you understand your options. The right attorney can work to reduce the impact of DUI charges on your career and future. At the law offices of Anna R. Yum, our law firm helps clients throughout San Diego and California protect their records and employment opportunities. Law offices of Anna R. Yum can be reached at 619-233-4433. The office is located at 501 W Broadway, ST 1660, San Diego, California, 92101, United States.